There's something you got to do before you get here. To the,
Loud Call Weekend.
a yoga studio opened up on my corner, and before every class, it's been great for me to stay in shape. But before every class, they ask you, what to set your intention. And I always hate that because I never know what does that mean, and my mind goes blank. My intention, and I think, you know, what's my purpose? What do I want to get out of this? Um, what's interesting about setting your intention is I think it's better to think more about what do you need to let go. Not what do you want, but what do you need to leave behind as a way to start a transition, as a way to start a journey, as a way to start a rite of passage. What do you need to let go in order to renew yourself?